Hello, what's up guys? Today I will teach you on how to change your shirt color, pant color, hair colors, basically everything. So let's go ahead. So right now you have this white t-shirt she's wearing, so let's change her shirt color. Okay, so what we can do is just go to pen tool. Okay, pen tool, right click here and make sure that you select this pen tool out of all these things. Okay, select pen tool, or you can simply type P, then you can start selecting. Okay, before that, for a better precision, let's zoom it, let's make it bigger so that we can select better precision. So go to right click and go to pen tool and click here, then we will select the area we want to change the color. Okay, so let's start. So once you have done selecting all the areas, so for reference I just selected roughly. So once you end it here, make sure you make a meeting point. Okay, so till now you have done here, and when you point on the starting point you will find one round circle. Okay, so when you find that circle, click there to enclose it, then you are done. Put your cursor here and then have a right click. So once you have done with the right click, select this max selection, click here, then you have to select the feather. So 2 is my favorite because it goes well for this color change. So I will select this 2 and then click OK. So my selection is done. Now what I'm gonna do is go here. Okay, go to image and then I'll go to adjustment. So from this adjustment I can go here, color balance, or control B. Okay, so click here and then change your shirt color like this. You can do like this, you can do like this, you can do like this, so it goes very well. Or else you can do like this. You can change basically to any color. Okay, any color. So let's cancel this. That's how you can do, and you can play around with the shadows and stuffs like this. Go to highlights, go make it red, something like this. Basically, yeah, it has become yellow. You can do anything like this, but I'll cancel this and I will show you one more interesting things. So go to image again and adjustment, and here you can go to black and white. Over here, Control Alt Shift B, you will find a lot of colors to play. So here you have reds, yellows, greens, cyans, everything. So out of the white you can play a lot. These are all the white. You can play like this a lot. Yeah, and then it becomes this color, more reddish. Yeah. So you can do like this a lot. So you get this color again. So let's click OK. Okay, yeah. So let's remove the outline. Then it's done. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for watching and keep coming for more.